Working hard, but no promotion. Have you ever stayed late, worked harder than everyone else, and still watched someone else get the promotion? If that's happened to you, you're not alone. The truth is, hard work matters, but it's not enough. In today's video, you'll learn the psychology behind why your efforts may be going unnoticed and, more importantly, how to change that. People don't reward what they don't notice. Reason 1: you're busy, but not visible. Many employees assume hard work speaks for itself. Reality: managers notice outcomes and impact more than effort they never see. Fix: share project updates. Present completed work professionally. Speak up about achievements without exaggerating. Reason 2: you solve problems quietly. Reliable employees often fix issues before anyone notices. Ironically, this can make their value invisible. Fix: document improvements. Share lessons learned with the team. Highlight measurable results. Reason 3: you're known as a worker, not a leader. Leaders don't just complete tasks. They help teammates, take initiative, improve processes, think ahead. Fix: start acting like the role you want. Reason 4: you don't communicate your value. People who communicate clearly often appear more influential. Examples: weekly progress updates, clear emails, concise meeting contributions. Reason 5: you're waiting to be noticed. Many professionals believe, if I work hard enough, someone will notice. Unfortunately, that's not always how workplaces operate. Fix: schedule career conversations with your manager. Ask, what skills do I need to develop for the next level? How can I contribute more to the team's goals? Reason 6: you avoid high-impact work. Routine work is important, but high-visibility projects often influence career growth more. Examples: leading a project, training new employees, improving a process, presenting ideas. Reason 7: you don't build professional relationships. Career growth isn't just about networking. It's about trust. People support those they know, respect, and enjoy working with. Fix: build relationships across departments. Offer help, be approachable, listen actively. Reason 8: you focus on activity instead of results. Managers remember impact. Instead of saying, I worked 12 hours, say, I reduced customer complaints by 20%. Results are more persuasive than effort alone. The 5-step action plan. Number 1: keep a record of achievements. Number 2: share progress regularly. Number 3: volunteer for visible projects. Number 4: improve communication skills. Number 5: ask for feedback and act on it. Conclusion: hard work is the foundation of success, but recognition comes when your effort creates visible value. Don't just work hard, work smart, communicate your impact, and build trust. Which of these reasons do you relate to the most? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, like, subscribe to Your Big Guide, and turn on notifications. Every week, I share practical workplace psychology and productivity tips to help you grow your career. Subscribe.